Welcome to the LIIAMRA Learning Channel. Today, we're kicking off an exciting journey through the alphabet, where we'll explore creative and effective ways to learn each letter from A to Z, whether you're a parent, a teacher, or even an adult learning English. This guide is packed with fun strategies to master every letter. A great place to start is with the letter sound. Each letter has at least one phonetic sound, and playing sound games is a fantastic way to learn them. For instance, when learning the letter B, you could say a few words like ball, banana, and car. Then, ask the learner to give you a thumbs up when they hear a word that starts with the letter B sound. This simple game sharpens listening skills and connects letters to their sounds. Next up, let's get crafty. Hands-on crafts are a powerful tool. Pick a word that begins with the letter you're focusing on, like C for cat. You can cut out a big letter C from orange paper and then decorate it with ears, whiskers, and googly eyes to make it look like a cat. These activities are great because they reinforce the letter's shape while building word associations in a visual and tactile way. Let's add another layer of fun with sensory play. Grab some shaving cream or sand or even finger paint and spread it on a tray. This is a wonderfully messy way to practice writing letters with just your fingers. If you're learning the letter D, you can spray some shaving cream on a tray and let the learner trace upper and lowercase d. This delightful method helps build muscle memory and the fine motor skills needed for handwriting. Music and games are also fantastic for reinforcing letter recognition. Alphabet songs help everyone remember the sequence of letters, while puzzles and matching games help identify letter shapes. When learning E, you could sing a song that repeats E is for elephant and use a puzzle where the learner matches the letter E to pictures of eggs or elbows. When learning feels like play, it is no longer a chore. Let's connect letters to the real world. Go on a scavenger hunt around your home or classroom to find objects that start with the letter you are learning, whether it's a ball for B, a cup for C, or a dog for D. Pointing out these items and saying their names aloud builds vocabulary and shows how letters are part of our everyday lives. And, of course, classic worksheets still have their place. Tracing and coloring pages are excellent for developing fine motor control and reinforcing letter shapes. For example, when learning the letter G, you can trace uppercase and lowercase g's, then color in pictures of grapes, goats, and guitars. This combination of writing and visual association really helps with retention. By using these technic sound games, crafts, sensory play, music, real-world connections, and worksheets, you can make learning any letter of the alphabet both fun and incredibly effective. Stay tuned as we continue this alphabet adventure one letter at a time. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who might enjoy it. And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss our next exciting installment. See you next time on the LIIAMRA Learning Channel.